Fit to make it easy for the movement for the
No,
boys.
but you are not putting chairs here.
Sir, we are not means if sir, I'll just open another drawing. So which will.
बहुत होना चाहिए.
It is there, sir.
शीशा लगा के ना.
So, sir, I'll just mark a little bit. Like this, when entry is there, sir. Department. This gate same should be fit in the center, sir. So this is 1.5 and 1.5 that side. So 3 meter is gone, sir.
So you want to block it and have this at the center.
At the center, sir. 1 meter both sides. So the alpha is the same. So that much space which is there means we are leaving that one or one. You can go.
Going one.
Yes, sir. So the space which we are means losing out at the back side for movement of the carriage to make it get into the center. Pillar will not remove it.
Now two gates. You say you design such a way. सबको प्रणाम. Physical and social distance. Is it going to be open or open? Open. Okay. It's okay. As an ex-student of the Sainik School, today I came to pay a visit to the Sainik School and interacted with the respected principal, the vice principal, the ADM officer, and the staff here. We also discussed about how prepared the school is during this lockdown. With the limited resources available, I'm so impressed to see the way the teachers led by the principal of the school were preparing for the students. I'm talking about the online classes. And today we also discussed about the preparation for NDA students who are going to appear in the UPSC exams for NDA. I really appreciate the hard work, efforts put in by the staff led by the principal. We also discussed about the hostels for girl students, which is compulsory. So I'll go back. My joint secretary is also here. We'll work out. It is quite necessary, and we'll definitely come up so that we are prepared. We are ready for the girl students from next session, and we feel that we have not paid sufficient attention to Sainik School. I myself is responsible. I am being a student, ex-student of the school. From today, we will pay special attention what all we can do at my own capacity and as a minister of the education. We will do all possible this thing. We will talk to the ex-students who are working in different departments. I know quite few of them. We will also try to mobilize some resources so that we do something for the welfare of the principal, the vice principal, the ADM officer, and all the staff. Because when we went inside the rooms, the furnitures, they are quite wanting. So we will look into these matters, and I wish all the best to the team here led by the principal and also the students who are going to appear in the exams for NDA UPSC exams. Thank you.